Hey guys, after 45 years in the post driver game, Kinghitter is excited to launch a whole new range of percussion post drivers. It all starts with this model, the Spitfire Type-R. What it is a 3-point linkage mounted machine, so it can be mounted to any tractor or any skid steer. What you have is a percussion cell mounted to a vertical mast. This allows the operator, a single operator, to install posts hydraulically with pinpoint accuracy. Along with that, the machine comes standard with hydraulic top link and hydraulic side tilt to give you 25 degrees angle tilt in any direction to get that post exactly where you need it to be. One cool feature on this machine is the all new post steering system designed for our percussion range of machines. It allows you to drive any standard post size or type, being timber, concrete, steel, you name it, and adapts to every different size as well. Here we have an example of one of the heavy duty interchangeable guide rings that can be fitted to the post steering system to adapt the size depending on what post type you're hidden in. The whole post steering system is easily removed in case you want to drive oversized posts. It's toolless, quick and easy. There are multiple cell sizes available. This one here is called the V6 with 650 joules of hitting power. Take a look at the website to see the other range of options available on the machine. The Spitfire Type-R can drive in any type of post up to 2.6 metres in length, which is 8.5 feet. The awesome thing about these machines is that they're compatible with the whole range of Kinghitter bases and accessories. This particular machine is fitted, for example, with the mast shift mount, which gives you 300mm of forward and back shift, and the terminated side shift base to give you 950mm of side shift out the side of the tractor or skid steer. This particular machine is also fitted with the Kinghitter auto latch auger kit. As always, Kinghitter puts a premium on making the machines fast and easy to use. This all starts with the valve bank layout, starting with the custom built Italian valve bank, the simple one lever operation here, which can be adjusted to increase or decrease the amount of downforce you have on this percussion cell. The whole valve is mounted ergonomically horizontally with all your levers at your fingertips. It is mounted on a pivoting stem, so the operator can choose to stand where he likes to operate the machine. A couple of other cool features on this machine are these adjustable nylon slides here in the cell head, which can be tightened over time as it wears to keep it nice and tight over a lifetime of use. You've also got these ram shock absorbers up here to minimise the amount of vibration that comes from the cell head coming through to where the operator is operating. Thanks for watching. Any questions about the system, please let us know, give us a call. Keen to talk to you.